a little nibble, you know, so I had to get some treatment.
Going forward, what can we expect from you? You have scored a goal here.
Well, going forward, you just have to expect quality from me, you know, because I'm a player that works hard in training and try to do the right things along the way.
Wish you all the best.
All right, so Ximines, man of the match. Yeah, since you have put on that famous Mount Pleasant jersey, you have been really outstanding. Tonight, man of the match, as I said, how would you evaluate your performance on a scale of 1 to 10?
Well, I would say I give myself a 7, you know, because I could do much better, you know, passing and defending, you know.
Yeah. The goal that you scored, tell us about that goal. Was it just some adrenaline, or you deliberately tried to put the ball around the man and hit it so hard and low?
Well, that's my thing, you know, to drive off people and get rid of people, you know. So I would say it's just you know, it's just my thing.
Yeah. I saw you breeze past the defender like it was a yellow cone, yellow jersey, yellow cone. But you enjoy the game. That's a big part in you enjoying the game, right? And what's next? What is next on the next game? Going forward. What's next?
Well, what's next is just to do better, you know, more quality, you know, and work on stuff that I get off today.
Okay.
You know, because there's things that I didn't do right. You
Yeah.
know, but you're not gonna do right all the time. So you just have to go back and check this one and just assess what you can assess and do what you can do.
And last question, how was the adjustment period for you in the new club at Mount Pleasant?
Well, it's good, you know, I've been taken care of.
Yeah.
You know, and I just have to gel with the players, which
Yeah.
I am doing, you know.
Which senior player really help you to settle in quicker?
Well, all of them, you know, I wouldn't say that player not.
Okay. All right. Big up and thanks again, yeah?
Yeah.